Okay, dear students, so today this is the practice session. I'm going to call on the stage two students here. The first one is Angel Gujar and the second one is Rhythm. Let's see how they are going to translate the sentences that I will ask them in Hindi. And one thing I would say in the end, I will just give you a particular feedback that who has spoken well and what sort of mistakes you have made while translating. Got it, everyone? एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए दोनों के लिए. So first, you please come on the stage. Have it. You have to speak in mic, okay? And I will speak in Hindi, and you have to translate all the sentences into English confidently. Are you ready to translate?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
Everyone, here is Angel Gujar. Okay, Angel, first introduce yourself in English.
My name is Angel Gurjar and I'm 14 years old. I'm in 9th class.
Okay. And can you tell us the name of your school where you study?
I study in BPS school.
Oh, that's good. So I'm asking you a few questions based on translation, okay?
Yes,
That you have to translate. मैंने मूवी नहीं देखी है.
I have not watched the movie.
मैं वहाँ नहीं गई हूँ.
I did not go there.
I did not go there, or you can say in present perfect.
Present, I have not gone there.
I have not gone there. Okay, मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर चुका हूँ.
I have not studied.
I have not studied. क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं?
Do you know me?
क्या आप उसे जानते हैं?
Do you know him?
Do you know him? क्या आप प्रिया को जानते हैं?
Do you know Priya?
प्रिया कौन है?
Who is Priya?
क्या प्रिया आपकी क्लासमेट है?
Is Priya your classmate?
सर वो प्रिया नहीं है, वो निशा है.
She is not Priya, she is Nisha.
Sir, she is not Priya.
She is Nisha.
She is Nisha. निशा कौन है?
Who is Nisha?
निशा प्रिया की दोस्त है.
Nisha is Priya's friend.
Okay, आप क्या कर रही हैं?
What are you doing?
आप क्या करती हैं?
What did you
आपको
do?
क्या करना
What?
पसंद है?
आपको क्या करना?
पसंद है?
What do you like to do?
What do you like to do? क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलती हैं?
Do you play cricket?
क्या आप फुटबॉल खेलती हैं?
Do you play football?
क्या आप पढ़ाई करती हैं?
Do you study?
क्या पढ़ाई कर सकती हैं?
Can you study?
आप क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
आप क्या करोगे?
What will you
आप
do?
क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing?
What were you doing? कौन सा टेंस है?
What were you doing? Past simple.
Past. ऑडियंस सही है?
What were you doing? Past continuous.
Past continuous. That's good. Okay. Now बहुत ही carefully सुनना है आपको. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now क्या pढ़ाई करते हो?
Do you study?
क्या पढ़ाई करोगे?
Will you study?
Will you study? क्या बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या
speak?
बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak?
क्या मुझे बोलना
Should I
चाहिए?
speak?
क्या मुझे वहाँ जाना
Should I go
चाहिए?
there?
क्या मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा?
Will I go there?
Will I go there? क्या ये मार्कर पेन है?
Is this a marker pen?
ये पेन मैं आपको नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि मेरा पेन है.
I cannot give you this pen because this is mine.
This is my or mine?
This is mine.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between my and mine?
So
I have taught you this. Yeah, my and mine. On Sunday class I have taught you.
I was not there.
You were absent on Sunday. My is used with adjective. You know, as an adjective
So
it works,
it is,
and with
mine.
noun we use it, and it's alone. Okay. If I say ये मेरा है, तो क्या
This is
कहोगे
mine.
इंग्लिश में?
This is mine.
This is
Mine.
mine. On Sunday special class I taught this topic. This is mine. And when you say ये मेरा पेन है, then you would say this is
my pen.
my pen. So you can see the visible difference between my pen and mine. Okay? I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Mine is it's a use alone. You know, इसके बाद में आपको कुछ भी यूज नहीं करना है. My के बाद में क्या लगाना है आपको?
Adjective.
कोई भी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट या नाउन आपको लगाना होता है ना, बिकॉज इट वर्क्स एज एन एडजेक्टिव. ये एडजेक्टिव की तरह काम करता है और ये आपका प्रोनाउन की तरह काम करता है. ठीक है, इट्स पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव, पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, क्या पढ़ाई करते हो?
Do you study?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Do you
क्या
learn
पर्सोना
English?
इंस्टीट्यूट से इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Do you learn English from Persona Institute?
डू यू लर्न इंग्लिश फ्रॉम पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट? आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो?
Why are you learning English?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Why are you speaking English?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों बोलते हो?
Why do you speak English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak English?
कैन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? क्या आप यहाँ आओगे?
Will you come here?
Let's Rhythm, come here. Let's see between you and Rhythm who is going to rock, who is going to speak well. Rhythm, you have to come. So students, with us today Rhythm and Angel. Let's see between Rhythm and Angel who is going to speak fast. Okay, I will ask you question in Hindi and you are going to translate all these sentences into English confidently. Let's see how you are going to speak. So are you both ready?
Yes, sir.
You have to speak in mic, and audience, you know, these students are seeing your performance, and in the last they will give you proper feedback.
Yes,
right? So ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, आप क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
What do you do? कौन सा टेंस है?
Present simple.
प्रेजेंट सिंपल, दोनों बराबर बोल रहे हैं. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Where are you
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
आप क्या कर सकते हो?
What can you do?
आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए क्या कर सकते
What
हो?
can you do for your friends?
What can you do for your friends? आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे
Why
हो?
are you learning English?
आप वहाँ क्यों जाते हो?
Why are you going? What do you do?
Why do you go there? आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हो?
How can you? How do you learn?
She is right, you are wrong. Improve yourself. Okay. आपने पढ़ाई कैसे करी?
How did you study?
How did you study? आप कितने बजे उठे?
At what time did you wake up?
Did you wake up या do you wake up?
Sir.
उठे means did you wake up? उठोगे means
Will you wake?
will you wake up? उठ रहे हो मतलब
Do you? Are you?
are you continuous में? Okay. क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
Are you learning English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखोगे?
Will you learn English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो?
Can you learn English?
कैन यू लर्न इंग्लिश? क्या आप जिनल पटेल को जानते हो?
Do you know DLR Patel?
हाँ सर, मैं अच्छे से जानता हूँ.
Yes, I know.
वेरी वेल. जिनल एक अच्छी लड़की है.
Jinal is a good one.
जिनल इज अ गुड गर्ल. ओके, जिनल एक कॉन्फिडेंट लड़की है.
Jinal is a confident girl.
जिनल अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुकी है.
Jinal has completed her graduation.
सर, उसने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट नहीं किया, उसने अपना 12th कंप्लीट किया है.
No, sir. She has not her graduation completed.
Her 12th standard.
Okay, she has not completed her graduation, she has completed her 12th standard. Okay, आप क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
आप क्या कर सकते
What can you
हो?
do?
मुझे क्या करना
What
चाहिए?
should I do?
What should I do? मुझे कहाँ जाना चाहिए?
Where should I go?
Where should I go? मुझे इंग्लिश क्यों सीखनी चाहिए?
Why should I learn English?
Why should I learn English? मुझे उसकी मदद क्यों करनी
Why
चाहिए?
should I help him?
Why should I help him? क्या वो आपका फ्रेंड है?
He is your friend.
क्या वो आपकी मदद करता है?
He help you.
Does he help you? Does he help you? क्या आप यहाँ आते हो?
Do you come here?
क्या वहाँ जाते हो?
Do you go there?
क्या वहाँ जाओगे?
Will you go
अब
there?
आप क्यों जाओगे?
Why will you go
अब
there?
आप कैसे जाओगे?
How can you go
अब आप
there?
कैसे जा रहे हो?
How are you going there?
How are you going there? आप यहाँ कैसे आ रहे हो?
How are you coming
अब यहाँ
here?
कैसे आओगे?
How will you come
अब
here?
यहाँ कब आओगे?
When will you come here?
When will you come here? आप पढ़ाई कब करोगे?
When will you
आप
study?
पढ़ाई कब करते हो?
When do you
क्या आपने
study?
पढ़ाई करी?
Are you studying? When
Did you study? क्या आपने सोचा?
Did you think?
Did you think? क्या आपने बोला?
Will you think?
क्या बोलोगे?
Will you speak?
आप कैसे आओगे?
How will you come?
आप कब आओगे?
When will you
आप
come?
कब आए?
When did you come? When did
आप
you
कब
come?
आए?
When did you come?
When did you come? आप सुबह कब उठे?
When did you wake up?
आप उसके बारे में क्या जानते हो, बताओ मुझे.
What do
What do you know about him?
मैं नहीं बता सकता.
I don't.
No, I cannot tell you. No, I cannot tell you. मेरे पास कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है.
I have no tell us.
I have nothing
I have
to
nothing
say. I have nothing to say. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. मैं कॉन्फिडेंट बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to.
I want to be confident. क्या आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो कैमरे के सामने बोलने के लिए?
Are you confident to speak?
Are you confident enough to speak before camera? सर, मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ.
No, sir. I am not confident.
इसीलिए तो मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. That is why I have come here. क्या आप मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट बनाएंगे?
Will you make?
Excellent. Will you make me confident? मैं आपको कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बना सकता.
I cannot.
जब तक आप खुद नहीं चाहोगे अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंट बनाना, आप कभी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बन सकते. Until and unless you make yourself confident, you can never. You make yourself confident, you can never be confident. अपने आप को confident बनाना है तो अपने आप से एक ही बात कहे, yes I can. Come on, translate into English. The question is, अगर आप अपने आप को confident बनाना चाहते हो तो अपने आप से कहो, yes I can.
If you want to yourself.
Just say yes I can.
Just say yourself.
Just say to yourself yes I can.
Yes I can. Rhythm, you are not translating. She is translating. Audience, क्या लगता है? Who is performing well? Between Rhythm and Angel, who is performing well? I just want to hear from you. What do you think? Angel or Rhythm? एक बार पहले तो दोनों के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Okay. Let me say something about both. Angel, she has spoken very well, no doubt. Rhythm has also spoken very well. So Rhythm, in your feedback, I would say that
Yes.
you need to just listen the sentence carefully.
Yes.
When something is asked, think about it. What is being asked.
Yes.
Okay. If I say, "Ab aap kyun ja rahe ho?" Think about it. Kyun means why. Why are you going? Ab aap kyun jate ho? Why do you go?
Yes.
We have to translate according to sentence.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the sentence are in this sequence, so we know what we are going to translate. But sometimes the sentence are changed, and when they are changed, we are confused.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just listen very carefully what I'm asking.
Yes.
एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए दोनों के लिए. बहुत बढ़िया, excellent.